Cooked. The word cooked is an adjective that describes food that has been prepared by heat, making it edible and safe to eat. When something is cooked, it means that it has undergone a transformation through the application of heat, which changes its texture, taste, and often its appearance. The process of cooking can involve various methods such as boiling, baking, frying, grilling, steaming, or roasting. Here are some examples of how cooked can be used in sentences. 1. I love eating cooked vegetables. In this sentence, cooked describes the vegetables that have been prepared by heat, making them soft and flavorful. 2. The chef cooked a delicious meal for us. Here, cooked describes the action of the chef preparing a meal by applying heat to the ingredients. 3. She always prefers to eat cooked fish rather than raw sushi. In this example, cooked contrasts with raw and indicates that the person prefers fish that has been heated, ensuring it is safe to consume. 4. The meat needs to be properly cooked to avoid any foodborne illnesses. This sentence emphasizes the importance of thoroughly cooking meat to eliminate any harmful bacteria or parasites. 5. I enjoy the aroma of freshly cooked bread. In this case, cooked describes the process of baking bread, resulting in a delightful smell. Overall, the term cooked refers to the state of food after it has been prepared through the application of heat, bringing out its flavors, altering its texture, and making it suitable for consumption. The word is commonly used in everyday conversations about food and cooking,